Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have another pull-up doll with me. This is Merl, M-E-R-L. Very odd name, okay? But she is one of the sweetest little dolls ever. She came out, I believe, in 2012, and when she came out, there was a boy doll, I think Isul, I-S-U-L was the name of the doll, and they had, Pullip had a couple of boy dolls, and then these girl dolls. We had Pullip, Dow, and Buell. And Pullip is the 12-inch sort of doll, and then Dow was more like about 11 inches, and Buell was more like, I want to say 8 inches. And they were supposed to be like little sisters, and then the boy dolls were supposed to be brothers, etc. And there was a boy doll that had a similar sailor outfit on to this cutie patootie here. So she's been in my curio like the other dolls that I have that are pull-ups. I have been showing them as part of my 2026 A Doll a Day series that I'm doing. And I have I've created a playlist in my channel for that in case you've missed any of the other dolls, you want to see them all. She came with this cute little bow, and then she has another larger bow, but it's kind of, I felt like it was overly large for her head, even though she does have a bigger than usual head, I will say. Not quite as big as Blythe dolls, but kind of up there. And she has a little sash that goes around this little sailor outfit and this little dress. And underneath this dress, she has a really cute white dress that on its own is actually really, really sweet. You can even see it's got a lot of detail. You know, that's one of the things that these pull-up dolls are known for, is their stock is typically very well made, very detailed. And oh, she's got a button, came unbuttoned. I'll have to fix that. And then she's got these super cute little striped socks and boots. Beautiful, beautiful hair. One of the things that attracted to me originally when I purchased her, I was thinking that she might be a pull-up I could do stuff with and not have to worry so much about her crazy hair. Because before I got her, I had gotten Fräulein, and Fräulein's hair is on these massive ringlets. And so I thought, well, her hair is just straight, and so it would be really easy, you know, to deal with. Oh, look at these little bloomers. But like I said, once I started really messing with them, I realized, yeah, they're just so delicate. The bodies are so delicate. Oh, she has a little necklace here too. I forgot about that. Look at that. And then again, these eyes, they move back and forth. And hers are like what are they, kind of like they're blue. Yeah, for sure. Does she have eyeshadow? I feel like she does. Yeah, nope, she does not. And see, that's the thing, like, I think they should all have eyeshadow. Of course, the one doll, I can actually close her eyelids. I have a big problem dealing with these levers that they have. So when you push these little buttons back here, they close the eyes and then they open the eyes. But a lot of times when I'll push these, they get stuck, and then I can't open them again without, like, you know, having to hand force them, which I don't really want to do. Hers, of course, seem to work great, and she doesn't even have any, she doesn't have painted eyelids. So along with this type of Buell, there's another one that I think she came out later than this one that is the same outfit, only her overdress is red. The dress that goes over her little slip. So, and I was very tempted to get her. I remember when she came out, I was like, oof. I mean, I really like any kind of turn of the century nautical themed sort of clothing for dolls. I think it's super, super cute. And then she does have a stand. They all came with stands. So she's just hanging out in my curio. She is going to stay. I have, like I said, quite a small collection. I have her Fräulein, Romantic Alice Blue. Both of those I've already done videos about for part of this series. Who else do I have? Oh, I can't remember her one name. There's a name, I can't remember now. She's kind of a boho-y doll. And then I have Mamori, who is a Mori style doll. So, super cute. adorable doll, adorable concept. Really nice hair. It's very soft. Even though she's a bit of an older doll, you know, it's a little dry in the ends, but not bad at all. She's actually in really good shape. And because I decided I wasn't going to do stuff with these dolls, they are just display dolls, and I definitely enjoy having them to look at in my curio. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this little doll Merl. Do you have any pull-up dolls in your collection? And what do you think about the nautical theme when it comes to dolls? I mean, is that something you're kind of into? Does it resonate with you? Let me know. As usual, please give this a thumbs up and have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.